Hey guys, this lesson I wanted to share a open source contribution I made to Devise. It hasn't been merged yet, but I wanted to walk you through the process of discovering a rough edge that could be improved and how I fixed it. So first off, let me walk you through an example here. So if you have a user in your application that uses Devise, but you've implemented something like two-factor authentication, then you might want to change the way that it works out of the box. So let's take a look at an example here. So if I go and reset my password and go to letter opener and follow the link in there, I can change my password, but what I don't want to have, if I have two-factor auth enabled, I do not want to be logged in automatically, and that is the default with Devise. So if I change the password on a user with two-factor auth enabled, what I want to see is I am taken back to the login screen so I can follow the regular login process where it asks for my email and password, and then it asks for my two-factor authentication to log me in. And out of the box, Devise will automatically sign you in after your password reset, basically skipping two-factor auth during that process, which is not good. So the way we can change that is we can set this to false, and that's going to make it so that everybody, no matter what, if they have two-factor auth enabled or not, will have to log in right afterwards. And this is fine, but it would be nice if those users who didn't have two-factor auth enabled were automatically logged in. They have access to that email address and the new password, so it is not a security vulnerability to log those people in immediately. So what I'd really like here is a way to make this dynamic. And that got me looking into, well, how is this implemented in Devise? Maybe it already supports that, but the docs just show true and false.